In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the origin of an object in Blender using the 3D cursor. This process might sound a bit technical if you're new to Blender, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step. Let's get started. First, you want to go into Edit Mode. Think of Edit Mode as your workspace where you can tweak, adjust, and manipulate your chosen object. To get into Edit Mode, simply select the object you wish to edit and then look at the top of your screen to find the drop-down menu labeled Mode. Click it, then select Edit Mode. Once you've done that, you'll have the tools you need to start making changes to your object. Next, head over to the Viewport Shading section of your screen. This is where the magic happens in terms of visualization. You'll see an icon that looks like a sphere with two halves. Click it, and a menu will pop up. From here, click X-ray. This step is crucial as it allows you to see through your object, almost like turning your object translucent. This transparency is really handy because it makes positioning your origin far more accurate. Now that everything is visible and ready to go, it's time to select the specific object you want to adjust. Simply click on your desired object in your workspace. Ensure it's highlighted to indicate selection. Once your object is selected, press Shift and S on your keyboard simultaneously. This is a vital shortcut in Blender that opens up the Snap menu, which gives you various snapping options. From this menu, choose Cursor to Selected. This action will move your 3D cursor, think of it as a precise crosshair, to the exact center of your selected object. Now, with the 3D cursor in place, return to Object Mode. Go back to that drop-down menu near the top of your screen that we mentioned earlier, but this time select Object Mode. This switch will allow us to work more broadly with your object. Right-click on the object you've been working with. A contextual menu will pop up showing several options. Look for Set Origin in this menu. Finally, under the Set Origin menu, click Origin to 3D Cursor. What you've done here is just move the origin point of your object to wherever your 3D cursor was located. This is particularly useful when you want to pivot or scale your object with precision. And that's it. You've successfully set the origin of your object using the 3D cursor in Blender. By following these steps, you can continue to fine-tune your models with greater accuracy and ease. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling!